Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and now we have a new version of Microsoft Edge. It has rolled out, of course. Google Chrome went to version 133. Edge follows. Remember, if you're using a Chromium-based browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and the rest, check for updates to make sure you have the security updates. So if you go into Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, Help and Feedback, and About Microsoft Edge, you will be at 133.0.3065.51. Now, what's in here? Not much. There's improvements in the way that you can import from other browsers the data. It includes actually more data importing, which means that there are several things that it didn't take into account and now will also be included when you import from another browser. It has several bug fixes, including one which had PDF files not opening correctly, especially when you were in private mode, and a few other things that weren't exactly right. But for the rest, of course, it's all the Chromium security updates, which are very important to fix. So if you don't really care about any new features, well, the security updates are important to apply. And if you don't use Edge, I always recommend that you check to make sure that it's up to date because, as you all know, Microsoft is sneaky, and sometimes it opens Edge when you click a link rather than opening your favorite browser, unfortunately. So just make sure that it is up to date, at least for the security update part. So we are now at a new version of Edge, Microsoft Edge browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.